Hello and welcome to my video. We're going to control an Aquahot 250D and make it call for heat. Both my front and rear are 69 degrees because I just shut the air conditioner off. I waited about 3 minutes because I wanted to see how well this worked and how long it took because it's going to be going from cold. So anyhow, we're going to go furnace, and kick them both up and see what happens. So without further ado, furnace. These panels only go up to 86. So that's what I'm going to do. And it's about 75 degrees outside, but I did cool it down in here. Now on the main page, I'm thinking I got to turn the Aquahot on also, which I just did. Maybe I should have done that first. I did not turn the electric on for the purposes of this video. I hear it starting. It's running outside. It's dark out, otherwise I'd walk out there and show it to you. I just serviced the thermostat. There's a couple good videos out there for that. Do we have any air movement? Not yet. Nope. Oh, we'll know it when it kicks in. Meanwhile, while we're waiting, you can see I got my my VegaTouch app. VegaTouch Mira app going. Front is set to 86. Rear is set to 86. And like I said, the water heater Aquahot 250D was completely off. I do not have the floor heaters on. But there's the settings for the... There we go, I'll get you closer. There's the settings for the furnace. Okay, so we're 3 minutes into it. You still hear the Aquahot running. You can always use your furnace or your heat pump. I'm new to this Aquahot myself. I know already tested the heated floors. You just got to give them time. You turn on the heated floor, give it a half hour or an hour, let the heat get spread out. I've been told not to set them any higher than 3, but I don't get to use them much. I'm still hoping the Aquahot kicks me out some heat before it gets back up to 85 degrees in here. It will not kick in. There's what we got right now. Thanksgiving, 8:23 local time, 74 degrees up on the shelf. Takes a while. Well, I'm sure we got hot water on its way. It's now starting to get hot. Now it's being too hot to touch. Yes, sir. I don't see why the furnace wouldn't be kicking on. Come on, baby. It is still running, however. Be doing a video on this dishwasher too. Okay. Well, I can see this video sucks. Oh my God, we have heat blowing. Yep. I don't know if you can hear it, it's pretty quiet. It's louder in here. Oh, probably got a bigger. That's the intake. That's the heat. This is heat. And that is heat. Shouldn't take too long to get some heat going here, because it's basically 75 out. It's definitely hot in here already. Ooh-wee. I think I might go ahead and shut the front one off. Yeah. Front one's wailing out some heat. Back one's just getting started. I guess it never hurt to let it run. Oh yeah, we're cooking back here now too. So, from a time frame perspective, from cold, it took almost 10 minutes, and it's, 85 degrees here in the daytime. I had to pick a cooler night to test it. going to be heading up north in December, and I don't want to find out then that I don't have heat. Even though I got multiple sources and a generator. But ideally your Aquahot is your answer. It definitely throws off the heat. I understand that, coupled with the warm floors, and will be plenty toasty. Okay, I guess that'll conclude our video. I'll prove to you it's getting hot in here. It's showing hot on the rear, 73 degrees already. Front is showing 71 degrees. You see the little flame there. It's definitely getting hot in here. See what she says on the control panel. Yeah, about the same. Yeah, I'll let it run. Well, thanks for watching. I'll show you what app this is. Mira mobile app. Whew, getting hot in here. Thanks for watching.